Hi folks, welcome back to Meta Box Tutorials. Today, we're going to create a video gallery page using Meta Box and Elementor. As you can see, this page shows a list of videos with some additional information. Each video's information will be saved in a single post. In particular, the information about the video is the default information of the post. For videos, instead of uploading them to the website, which makes the site heavy, I will use videos on YouTube, then I'll store those links in custom fields and display the videos from them. Let's see which tools we need for this tutorial. First, I have Elementor and its Pro version here to build the page. We also need the Meta Box Core plugin to have a framework that allows creating custom post types and custom fields. You can download it directly from WordPress.org. Besides, we need some Meta Box extensions for advanced features. You can install the extension individually, or if you have the Meta Box AIO, it will include all Meta Box extensions. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Custom Post Type helps to create a custom post type for videos. Meta Box Builder provides a UI on the back end to create custom fields. Since we use Elementor to build the page, remember to enable the Meta Box Elementor integrator to get dynamic data from custom fields and display them in the page easily. Go to Meta Box and create a new post type for video. Pay attention to the Subports tab. I want to display the author's information, so check this option. After publishing, you'll see a new menu here. It's your post type. In this practice, I'll create only one custom field to save the URL of the video, as I said at the beginning. We normally use the URL field to save links. But on the front end, Elementor will display the link in the text format. Only then we must take a few more steps to convert it to the video preview. In this case, MetaBox has the OEM field that allows you to save the URL and display it as the video preview on the front end directly. So, we'll set the field in the OEM type for more convenience. Then, go to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type. Select Video to apply the created field to it. After publishing, you'll see the created custom field in the post editor. As I mentioned about ticking the author option when creating the post type, you'll see this section to choose the author of the post here. Let's move on to the next steps. Let's create a template to display the videos. Since it is a list of posts, we should choose the template as loop item. Choose the video post type and a post of it to set the preview. First, add a section with the one-column layout. Add a shortcode element inside it to display the video preview. Use the dynamic tags and look for Meta Box field in the post section. Here, choose the field that we use to save the video URL. The video preview will display immediately after. For other information about the video, I'll group them in a section and use the inner section element. There are two columns now. Add the author box element into the first column. You can change its settings to choose to display some kind of author information or not. In the second column, add the post title to display the video title. You may want to display it as a clickable link, so choose the link as post URL. Next, add a text editor element to display the author name. Also use the dynamic tags. This information is saved in the author name field that is default by WordPress, so look for it in the author section. The next one is the video description saved in the post content. And the last one will be a text editor. Use the dynamic tags and choose the post date. That's all the information about the video that I want to display. Just save it. We'll use this template for the page in the next step. Create a new page for the video gallery. Then edit it with Elementor. Create a section to cover all the posts. Then add the loop grid element inside it. In its layout settings, choose the template as which one we've just created. Now, go to the query section and choose source as videos to display posts from this post type. These are the videos along with their information that we're looking for. If you want to style the page layout, do it in the current window. If you want to change the way each information displays, you should go to edit the created template. Back to the page on the front end, refresh it, then you will see a new look. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.